Hi everyone, it's Karen here, lead graphic designer at SNR Creative. I am your host for today's Minute Master. So today I'm going to show you one of my most used apps, and that is Adobe Photoshop. I use Photoshop to create digital graphics and manipulate photos. So my first most used tool is the alignment tool. And with the alignment tool, I use this in situations when my text or objects are off-centered to my document, and with a click of a button, I can automatically center these things, and I don't have to sit there and try to do it myself. And to find it, all you have to do is go to the Move tool, and then at the top of the menu bar, you'll see these buttons. And so there's the left align tool, the centering tool, the right align tool, and you can also align them top and bottom as well. So my second most used tool is the group tool. And I use the group tool when I've formatted my elements to be a certain way. But say I decide to move one thing, if I just group all of my elements together, everything else that I've formatted with it will follow. So I don't have to redo it one by one. And to find the grouping tool, all you have to do is go to the bottom where this file folder is, and that is the grouping tool. All you have to do is click the layers you want to group together and hit that button. And lastly, my third most used tool is the effects tool. So with the effects tool, I use it to give a little bit more variety in my designs. So all you have to do is go to the bottom right corner again, and there is a button that says FX, and you'll click that, and you have a bunch of different options that will allow you to outline your text or object, give them an inner shadow, inner glow. You can give them a gradient overlay, a pattern overlay, outer glow, drop shadow, and a whole lot more. So tune in next time when I go in depth and show you all the tools I've just used. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our videos.